Burbank project is proceeding rather nicely. We are continuing with the concrete pours that are necessary to build the actual structure itself. It's the neat thing about being in construction, to be perfectly honest with you. You get to see a building being constructed, especially something as big as this. This is going to be a 3-story, almost 300,000 square foot facility that's probably going to be standing for the next 75 to 100 years, and is going to be a focal point because of where it's located in the city. It's going to be a focal point in our city for many, many years to come. I think when it's all said and done, the district is going to be left with a facility. It's going to stand out. It's going to look really nice. It's going to be modern, and we're really excited about it. I think the design itself is a eye catcher, if you will. The facility itself